Okay.
Okay, also this lady, she's waiting for somebody else. She's
Okay.
not in the gentleman room.
All right.
That's why they wait for other people here.
Okay. Then you can sit here.
Oh,
No. Okay, guys. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Ndauya kuspa saka. They are not allowing any phones. She's telling me muningirikiri mu my rooms avo ekuitirwa treatment. So unfortunately I won't be able to show you guys what's gonna happen here, but as I told you earlier on, kuti, the birthday celebration still continues. I'm gonna be having a 4-hour massage. 4-hour massage. Yeah, right. I'm gonna get in so they won't allow phones. So guys, I'll have to cut off. Bye bye.
So let me just start. It's not a massage, right? It's a pedicure. It's not gel. It's a nail polish. It's a foot massage. It's a pedicure. It's a foot massage. It's a manicure. No gel, no acrylic, and then a head massage, paint, and then also a head massage.
What? Yeah, I'll spend the whole day here today. So I have to take off my shoes.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Have a seat over there.
Okay. Can I take off my mask?
Just lower it.
Yeah, because it's hot here. Where's this money coming from now in the shoe?
Dip your feet inside there. Dip your feet.
Okay.
Is the temperature fine for you?
Nah, it's okay. Let me relax.
Are you relaxed like me? Are you fine?
Yes.
So where are you from?
Safari State, Safari.
So you're local.
Actually, originally I'm from Sim.
Okay.
And when?
I'm from here.
Kokai. Kokai.
Kokai.
Oh, Taban Kujiji. Kokas.
Kokas.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. And how was the Christmas anyway?
Yeah, very nice.
That's nice, really. Did you have bride or something?
Just food.
With your family?
With the family, yeah.
Okay, are you married?
Sorry?
Are you married?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Why?
I'm resting now. Not yet. I'm not ready for it.
How about it?
I can buy it, not now.
Serious?
Not now.
Marona demand?
Eh.
Okay. Now, at least you're working for yourself, it's fine.
Hey. Are you married?
Marriage, remember, is just a blessing from God.
Exactly. That's what I was
When
saying.
it comes the right time, then you'll have to grab it.
Hey. When are you married?
Yeah, I am.
Well, marriage is a blessing.
Yeah, it is a blessing. So, it's an akere.
Hey, it's an akere.
Okay.
I'm a ZCC member.
Oh, Muzet?
Hey.
1 minute.
Hey. When I was in a Quebec.
Nakatsena mara kitsena la kupuke ngitsena ku sanctuary ministries.
Oh, okay.
Yo, matsatsi a go na le motho o nang fela sa itse modimo. Is it possible that?
Yo, eh. But I'm not saying that I tried like a puppet.
Ke nnete. True.
But Kalule Kang.
Hmm?
Kalule Musara.
Ke kgale nyana e seng ka golo mara ke kgale nyana.
Okay. Because I can hear how you're taking Setswana.
A ke re ra ituta. Yo, I saw something there at the counter, at the reception. There are some other things. I don't know, the worms or what's that process?
Kitty fishes, I'll show you afterwards.
For what?
They eat the skin cells.
They eat the skin cells out. They're not gonna eat somebody's feet.
They eat somebody's feet now.
Ayo!
But it's nice.
That means it's painful. Most.
Isn't it painful? It's ticklish.
It's ticklish.
It's not painful.
Seriously? Yo?
You could have even booked for a kid. It's only 100.
120.
100.
Ah, this cheap almost.
Yeah.
So I can add it to my today's treatment.
I don't think
because
so.
I want to have everything.
You want to have everything? Now, I'm schedule target is going to be behind and after the client after.
Oh, you got another client? So that means I'll have to book for another day again.
For another day again, yeah.
Okay. Let's hope they won't bite our legs.
It's fishes.
Okay, so you're keeping them somewhere?
Yeah, I'll show you the room where they are.
Those fish?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, sometimes if you have the money, you have to spoil yourself.
Hey, that's true.
Exactly. When you have the money, just spoil yourself. Forget about everything because you are living now.
If
if tomorrow you don't wake up, and then
you left the money,
you see, and then my relatives are going to start fighting for that money. So the money is
just
there. Enjoy it. Yeah. Live for today. Don't live for tomorrow. I see you have many rooms here. Well, the owner of this spa is Chinese or from Korea, Japan, somewhere there.
It's a white guy.
A white guy?
African guy.
Africans? So why is you going with the Chinese name and these Chinese umbrellas and what?
She loved the Thai style. It's a Thai massage spa.
It's a Thai massage spa.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
That's why they did so.
Okay.
It's a white guy.
Oh, it's a white guy. He's married.
He's married.
Okay. But at least he's paying well, no? That's better because I know white people at least they are better than blacks and the Chinese and whatnot. But if I can find you a husband, you don't want?
Huh?
If I can find you a man,
I've got a boyfriend, ne?
you got a boyfriend?
Mm.
Kiwi local person.
Yeah, it's a local person.
But what if he's, you know, these local men, these South African men,
Mm.
they're a problem a little bit,
Mm.
you know. So, they like to play games.
They like to play, they don't want to
Mm.
grow up.
They get drunk too much, you know,
Mm,
they
they-
do this other, you know, funny
They
tricks.
waste money.
Yeah.
They're not responsible.
Yeah.
Mm. They're not responsible. Do you know anyone who wants a girlfriend?
Yes, I know somebody, not one.
Mm.
No. Some other guys who just want, they're always making me, please, I want a girlfriend. Find me a steady girlfriend, you know.
Mm.
Because they are into marriage.
Mm. We'll exchange numbers then.
You give me my number, then your number, and then I'll give you my number, and then I'll give that guy your number, and then you chat. I'll just give you 3 of them, then when you select a, then when you choose. So because I'm gonna spend a lot of time here, are you going to give me food?
This package doesn't have food. Unfortunately.
Okay.
There's some packages that have food.
Oh really?
Mm.
What type of food?
It's finger food.
Oh, finger food only.
Finger
Okay. So I'll book for my kids today for those tickling
Fishes.
worms, fishes, what,
Yeah.
and then they can come. Probably maybe tomorrow. Are you busy tomorrow?
There's
Is it
no
good?
need excavation. Just put them in the dishes and then for 30 minutes.
Oh, okay, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean, after your treatment, we can just book it.
Okay.
Oh, we can book tomorrow so that it's 3 of you doing it.
It's 4 of us.
It's
The other
4.
one is at home.
Yeah.
Bye.
Hello. Ito couple karang bawa tu reception. Reception. Please.